So March, very good thing is to do a no spending month, which means that from the first of the month to the end of the month, you don't spend any money on anything except groceries from the store. And today is the 1st of March. I don't know when I'm going to release the video, but today is the 1st of March and I'm going to do that this month. I've done it last year one time. It was great. I saved a lot of money. I actually bought a company vehicle with the money that I saved, but we'll see how much money I'm going to save this month. Also, I'm going to see when I'm going to cook and when I'm going to be cooking home. Today we're cooking spaghetti. Now a little thing, a caveat if you will, I'm going to use whatever I have in my fridge. I'm not just going to ditch everything I have and let it go to waste. I'm going to use whatever I have in my fridge to make some smoothies. I have some beets that I'm going to make some smoothies with that I bought actually kind of a week ago. But all in all, use whatever you have, and this is actually a great way if you have some stuff sitting in the fridge like I do. You can just eat them because you're trying to maximize your savings when you're gonna be creative and start cooking dishes with some of the things you have already on hand. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. Today I spent $39.98, so 40 bucks on groceries. I got spaghetti, sauce obviously, some fruits to make smoothies, and orange juice to make the smoothie with. And that's it for now. For the morning I have some toast that I'm gonna make. I have ham and cheese and other stuff that I'm gonna be making a toast with already. I have them. So yeah, I'll see how that's gonna be for a week I guess, and I'll see what I'm gonna cook the second week. I'm thinking maybe potatoes because I have some potatoes here, or I like roasted vegetables. Most likely I'm gonna do that. Now about the meat, should you be vegetarian? Meat is more expensive obviously. You can get protein and other stuff that meat gets you. You can get it through beans or lentils or whatever else. I'm not a vegetarian by any means or vegan. Sadly, steak is way too good for me to be vegetarian. But if you want to be vegetarian, or if you try to see 1 month if you can be vegetarian, you can definitely do that. And yeah. Sadly, I had to throw one of the meals away because I put way too much salt into spaghetti. But so far is day 3. I feel freaking awesome. I also quit smoking, coffee. I do get 1 beer per night or something like that. All in all, no sugar, processed sugar, candies, things like that. No coffee. I drink tea today. But sadly, I had to actually overspend because I went on a business meeting and I cannot really, not eat breakfast there or, lunch or whatever. And yesterday, I actually forgot my food at home. Although I had it prepared and everything, I forgot it at home. And I had to actually order some from work, which was $9. And just keep in mind, all in all, so far, I'm in about 50 bucks. I mean, less than $50, but about that amount. Just for one meal, I spent $9. And the food that I have now, it's gonna last me for another, I don't know, 3 days, maybe 2 days. Because breakfast is done. I have smoothies that I do also. Those are with ingredients that I purchased before. But with the meal that is lunch or dinner, which is the bigger meal that I actually cook, I have another 3 days. And then basically if each week I spend about 50 bucks, that's $200 a month. And if you spend $9 a meal or $10 a meal each time, and that was just lunch at work, and that was not dinner. Dinner is 20 bucks. Man, it's a lot of money, especially if you go to a high-end place that you leave $100 bucks. But anyways, this is the update for day 3. Just wanted to let you know that I kind of have to throw one meal away. Sadly, I put way too much salt, but it is what it is, and I'm gonna learn from that mistake and keep going. All right, it's day 7 today from the no spending month. Sadly, I spent one more time because I did forget all of my food on the counter at home. So basically, if you do a no spending month, make sure you're not stupid like me and actually remember to bring your food and everything else. I spent $8, so that brings it for 7 days. I got $50 worth of groceries that I actually still eat. I still have spaghetti. I'm making smoothies. They're just right here. For breakfast, it's peanut butter and honey or peanut butter and jam. What else? I have some potatoes that I'm gonna cook soon. I made some cookies from oatmeal because I have a lot of oatmeal because it's cheap. I was thinking to, do the nutrient things, but it seems just too complicated. Anyways, so for 50 bucks for a week,
I got enough food, and then for just 2 meals that I ate, I spent $17. So that should tell you how big of a difference is. It's 5 times the difference. Like I've talked before, it's $1,000 for a month if you go out to eat, and it's $200 for a month if you stay home and eat. All right, that's for day 7. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is day 10 for the challenge, or no spending month. Not really a challenge, but the no spending month. So far, I have spent $63 exactly on groceries. Sadly, I spent $25 on food that is not from the store, but I bought food from work. The reason being is I forgot the food at home, a food that I was supposed to take to work. I forgot at home. And the total amount that I actually spent for the last 10 days is $88. I'm using some food that I have at home still, which, you know, might be a little bit cheating, if you will. But I mean, I have the food at home. I'm not gonna throw it away. Anyways, all in all, if we multiplied $88 times 3, we're gonna get around $250. Now, had I not forgotten the food at home, maybe that bill was gonna be a little bit lower, something around $210. But $210 a month for food is like amazing. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna keep doing that to the end of the month, and we'll see how it's gonna go. So this is day 30 from the challenge that I did that I'm not gonna dine out. I have actually dined out, as we mentioned before, 3 times because I forgot my food at home, and basically every other time that I didn't forget my food at home, I took food from home, brought it to work, ate there. Now, since it's the month of March and we have a pandemic and we basically got released from work, I've been at home for the last 10 days and life is epic. I cook. I just ordered some Omaha steaks. The video is not sponsored, but the steaks are amazing. But anyways, that's been going great. I did overspend a little bit. I thought I'm gonna go with like $220, $250. I did spend $300, right under $300. But the reason is I had to stock on some things like beans, lentils, rice, and I bought 2 cartons of milk, or cartons? 2 boxes? Anyways, I bought 2 boxes or cartons of milk, 2 cartons of eggs, you know, things that I would not shop right away, that they're gonna last me for at least another 2 weeks, maybe a week, maybe 2. But anyways, $300 for a whole month. This is $10 a day, which is insane. Yeah, I also bought peanut butter, bread, jam, and oatmeal. So basically, I'm gonna use the things that I bought through the month of March in April. So you wanna calculate it as money spent in March, basically. So yeah, you can definitely go and eat for $300 for the month, even less if you try. Now, the Omaha steaks that I bought, I spent money from my credit card. If you see my credit card videos, those were all gift cards that I got from the points that I accumulated in 2019. So all in all, I spent $225. I bought quite a lot of filet mignons, which is my favorite cut, and all of that came for free because I actually paid for the shipping from the same gift card. I think I paid like $1.90 out of my pocket because the bill came up to like $226 or something like that. So that's everything for today, guys. If you enjoyed that content, if you want me to try something else, or you have any questions, please ask them down below. Maybe I'll make a video on it. Please give that video a thumbs up if you like the content, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.